5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Hello, hello, hello. Guten Tag and здравствуйте. The doc is in, and today we are going to be working with something that is found in your very bones. It's called calcium. Calcium is actually a metal. It is element number 20, and as you can see, I have a new beaker, part of my new stuff I got for Christmas. So it doesn't look very shiny, and that's because calcium forms. You can kind of see here, if it will focus in. Sorry about that, the camera cut out for a second. So let's see if you can see it this direction. Hopefully you can. Let me see if I can shear away some of the, there we go. Okay. If you can kind of see, I don't know if you can because the camera won't focus in on it. You can kind of see, if you look really carefully, a reflection. There we go. So let's see if we can get a little closer. That reflective surface. And now it's already starting to tarnish, because calcium tarnishes very quickly in air. Sorry, the thing cut out again. Another thing calcium does is it reacts with water to produce hydrogen. So let's take a little piece like this one that we've kind of exposed a little bit of the surface of the metal of. We're going to drop it into this little vial of water. So as you can see, it's vigorously producing a chalky substance. One moment. If you saw that. I don't know if you did, but anyway, that chalky substance right there is calcium hydroxide. If you can kind of see, it's a little cloudy now. Honestly, I gotta hold it like this now. So yeah, it's a lot cloudier. So let's add in another little piece. Oh wow. It's producing hydrogen. There we go. So if you saw that. There we go. A little pop. Yep. Yep. So that's hydrogen. My glass is a little warm from that, obviously. Sure, all of it's reacted. So this is calcium hydroxide, which is a slightly soluble, slightly insoluble. It's mainly insoluble, but even insoluble substances are slightly soluble. They reach what is known as an equilibrium. But let's see if we can get a little more of a reaction out of this. Let's go for, how about the one I just cut? Okay. That's going to be, there you go, if you saw that. There we go. So yeah, it's producing hydrogen. So, is that all? Okay. So, So yeah, that's what calcium does, and we're creating a calcium hydroxide slush, which is also known as lime water. It's considered a calcium hydroxide solution, even though calcium hydroxide is insoluble. This is known as lime water. I don't know why. I don't recommend tasting it, and I'm not going to taste it. I do stupid things on this channel, but I'm not that stupid. But anyway, so yeah, let's put a little more in. Let's create some more lime water if we... I don't... because the main flame is also sort of... There we go, so... Now let's add in... Let's also expose some of the metal and add in a nice big piece. Let's actually add in multiple little pieces, because that's all I got here. There we go. See, that's the hydrogen forming, which is actually creating more water. If you notice, see? Is it still going? There we go. If you saw that little thing, it went down. Now I'm going to add in these last few pieces of calcium. Actually, I'm going to save one little piece for later, because we may do it with an acid reaction. And I'll save these as well. So that is calcium. We've got ourselves now a lovely little solution. And people are saying, well, why are you touching that? It's hot. It's actually not. It's just warm. I mean, it was hot to begin with. Now it just looks like milk, almost. But it's not. Doesn't smell like milk at all either. So, oh, another little piece. So let's see if we can toss. Okay, I don't know if this is clearly showing up. I think it is, but let's see if we can get some of these scraps. Okay, no, the scraps don't react. Which these scraps are basically calcium carbonate or chalk. Because there's carbon dioxide in the air, and that reacts with the calcium. At first, it'll produce the oxide layer, which I don't know if you could see. It was kind of quick, but yeah, so that is calcium reacting with water. Now, calcium can also, so like if you have a calcium deficiency, you're told to drink milk, have your dairy products, and all of that. And also, I wanted to mention this. I got a comment from someone I didn't know on my melting pennies video. He said that he told me a little bit about the history of the pennies. If you recall, I said any post-1982 penny contained zinc. So he said that's true. They stopped doing full copper in 1982, but they still had 50-50 in 1983. By 1984, however, that was completely gone. They had the zinc and the copper coating, which was interesting. I'm glad this person pointed that out. I can't remember the name. I'll probably put it, you'll probably see it popping up here on screen during editing, because I'll go check back on it. But yeah, so that is, let's see here. So yeah, a little chalky substance, if you can kind of see. Don't think you can, but anyway. Oh, the stuff's starting to settle out now. Look at that. So anyway, so yeah, that is calcium. Anyway, so I think that's all for this video. This is the dog saying goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen. До свидания. Thank you everybody so much for watching, and please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Especially comment and subscribe, and like the videos, because that helps me, because that boosts my self-esteem. Yeah, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.
You're gonna be a part of the channel.